Here it is stated one half of a convex lens is covered with black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? So look, let's say this is the first case, okay, जहाँ पे हमने टॉप हाफ को कवर कर दिया है, एंड दिस वन इज़ द सेकेंड केस जहाँ पे हमने नीचे के पार्ट को जो है वो कवर कर दिया है. Now listen, it's not about कि वो light is something that it will go from upper path और lower path. हमने ऐसा कुछ भी study नहीं किया है. That means light is allowed to pass even through upper part also and lower part also. बट अगर मैं हाफ पोर्शन कवर कर रही हूँ तो बट ऑब्वियस लेस रेज जाएंगे, कम लेस नंबर ऑफ रेज विल बी ट्रैवलिंग. सो इन सच कंडीशन जो इमेज होगा वो उतना ब्राइट नहीं होगा, उतना शार्प नहीं होगा, बट येस यू विल बी गेटिंग the complete image. Okay, so yes, you can support your answer in such a manner. Yes, a convex lens covered will over a half still forms a complete image of the object. It will be just that कि image जो है it would be slightly dimmer, that means less bright, or maybe little less sharp. Okay, that also depends, because fever rays takes part in the image formation. Rest of all things will remain same, neither the size nor the position will change, it will remain same. Okay, so yeah, that is the correct one. Thank you.